Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever felt overwhelmed setting up an online store on WordPress, dealing with complicated plugins and a lack of integrated features? Well, in today's video, we're taking a deep dive into Fluentcart, a plugin that claims to be the ultimate all-in-one e-commerce solution built specifically for WordPress. We'll explore its demo, break down its features, and see if it truly lives up to the hype. Fluentcart presents itself as a powerful conversion-focused platform that integrates not just shopping cart functionality, but also membership sites, course creation, and affiliate management directly into your WordPress dashboard. It promises an experience for selling both digital and physical products, all while being incredibly developer-friendly. On the positive side, the feature set is incredibly comprehensive. You get a complete cart and checkout system, the ability to create one-click upsells. The inclusion of a course builder and membership site functionality means you can run your entire knowledge-based business from one plugin, which is a huge plus. It also boasts advanced features like abandoned cart recovery, detailed analytics, and tax management. However, the potential negative is that this all-in-one nature might be more than a simple store needs, and the pricing while offering a lifetime deal is an investment that smaller businesses must consider. The plugin seems aimed at serious store owners who want to consolidate their tools and maximize conversions. So, if you're looking for a unified, powerful system to handle everything from selling products to running courses and managing affiliates directly within WordPress, Fluentcart is definitely worth a close look. Fluentcart offers 4 lifetime pricing tiers based on the number of sites. The entry-level plan is $249 for a single site licensed Hartmanel. For $499, you can use the plugin on 5 sites, and for $799, you can use it on 15 sites, with an option to pay in 6 monthly installments of $150. The most popular plan is the agency tier for 50 sites, which costs $199 as a one-time payment or $99 per month for 12 months. Every plan includes a 0% transaction fee, lifetime updates, lifetime priority support, and grants access to all features. Thanks for tuning in for this review. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comment section below.